the hidden morning habit that could be damaging your heart. If you're over 60 and trying to take better care of your heart, there's a chance that your morning routine might be quietly working against you. Most seniors focus on avoiding fried foods, taking heart supplements for seniors, or scheduling regular doctor visits for senior heart care. But very few people realize that one simple habit, what you drink first thing in the morning, can have a major impact on your cardiovascular health. It might sound surprising, but research now shows that certain beverages, especially those high in sugar or artificial ingredients, can trigger heartbeat irregularities, raise your blood pressure, and even promote clogged arteries. These effects are often subtle at first. You may not feel anything strange, but deep inside your heart may be struggling harder than it needs to. Over time, this can lead to a slow breakdown in heart function, putting you at risk for heart attacks, strokes, and other complications. The biggest danger comes from drinks that look healthy on the surface, like sweetened iced coffee-flavored teas or bottled juices. While these beverages might give you a quick burst of energy, they often spike your blood sugar and blood pressure at the worst possible time, right when your body is still waking up. When your blood becomes thicker and your arteries start to narrow, your heart has to pump harder, placing unnecessary stress on an aging cardiovascular system. That's why more experts today are recommending natural remedies for heart health that start with hydration. Simply drinking a glass of water in the morning before coffee, tea, or juice can begin to improve circulation, help lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol naturally. Water helps flush toxins, supports healthy arteries, and creates a foundation for a heart-friendly diet throughout the day. It's not about giving up all your favorite drinks forever. It's about timing and priorities. By starting with water, you allow your body to rehydrate, regulate your heartbeat, and ease into the day. It's a small change that fits perfectly into any senior heart care routine and can make a big difference in stroke prevention and heart attack prevention long term. So tomorrow morning, pause for a moment. Before reaching for that cup of sweet coffee or bottled juice, drink a full glass of plain water. Your heart may just thank you in ways you don't feel immediately, but will protect you for years to come. How sugary drinks in the morning harm an aging heart. For many seniors, a sweetened beverage in the morning feels like a harmless reward. A flavored iced coffee, a glass of orange juice, or even a store-bought smoothie. It may be part of your routine for decades, something that gives a comforting sense of energy and familiarity. But what if that harmless habit is secretly undermining everything you've worked so hard for in your heart health journey? The truth is, sugary drinks in the morning can be particularly harmful to older adults because of how they interact with an aging cardiovascular system. When you're young, your arteries are more flexible, and your heart can handle a few spikes in blood sugar or pressure. But after 60, things change. Your arteries naturally stiffen, blood flow slows, and your risk of clogged arteries increases significantly. When you drink something sweet first thing in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, it causes a rapid rise in blood sugar. Your body releases insulin to try to manage the surge, but for many older adults, this process is already compromised. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, one of the hidden contributors to high cholesterol and irregular heartbeat patterns. What's more, the sugar rush can damage the lining of your blood vessels, reducing their elasticity and leading to long-term issues like high blood pressure and poor circulation. This is why experts emphasize not just what you eat, but what you drink, especially early in the day. A sugary iced coffee may feel energizing, but behind the scenes, it's raising your heart rate, increasing inflammation, and triggering stress responses in your cardiovascular system. The result, a perfect storm for stroke risk and heart attack if it becomes a daily habit. If you're serious about stroke prevention and heart attack prevention, switching out these drinks is one of the simplest but most effective decisions you can make. Instead of sugary juices, try blending whole fruits with water or adding chia seeds for fiber. Instead of flavored coffee with creamers, try unsweetened cold brew with almond or oat milk. These small adjustments support a heart-friendly diet and work to reduce cholesterol naturally without sacrificing taste. Moreover, these healthier drink choices can significantly improve circulation. Good blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, especially to the brain and heart. Poor circulation has been linked not only to stroke, but to memory problems, fatigue, and even mood issues in seniors. Hydration and balanced blood sugar levels are key to ensuring your heart and brain function at their best each day. Another underrated danger is sodium. Many flavored drinks, especially store-bought coffees and pre-mixed beverages, are surprisingly high in sodium. Excess sodium causes water retention, raises blood pressure, and strains the heart. That's why reading nutrition labels is essential. What seems like an innocent iced mocha may be packed with added sugars and salts that work against your goals for healthy arteries and long-term senior heart care. Remember, aging doesn't mean giving up flavor or pleasure. It means choosing smarter. Your heart has worked for you for decades. Now it's time to give back by making choices that protect, nourish, and support it with every sip you take, choosing the right morning beverage for a stronger heart. After 60. At this stage in life, the choices we make each morning carry more weight than ever before. Your heart is not just a muscle, it's the engine that keeps everything moving. And like any engine, it depends on the right fuel. That's why what you drink first thing in the morning can either energize and protect your heart or slowly wear it down. So what should you be drinking instead? Let's start with the most powerful, yet most overlooked option: plain water. Drinking a glass of water immediately after waking up helps thin your blood, hydrate your body, and stimulate your metabolism, all crucial elements for improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. It may seem too simple to be effective, but studies consistently show that hydration plays a central role in heart health and stroke prevention. Hydration first thing in the morning is especially important for seniors because your body naturally dehydrates overnight. Without enough fluids, your blood becomes thicker, making your heart work harder to pump it through stiffening arteries. This increases the risk of heartbeat irregularities, poor oxygen delivery, and in some cases, even sudden strokes or heart attacks upon waking. Besides water, certain herbal teas can also support cardiovascular health. For example, hibiscus tea is known to help lower blood pressure naturally, while green tea is packed with antioxidants that improve heart function and help reduce cholesterol naturally. If you enjoy something warm in the morning, these can be excellent alternatives to sugary coffee or processed energy drinks. Just be sure to avoid adding too much honey or artificial sweeteners. Another excellent choice is lemon water. Adding fresh lemon to warm water gives your body a vitamin C boost, supports healthy arteries, and acts as a gentle detox to start the day. For added heart-friendly benefits, you can sprinkle in a bit of turmeric or cinnamon, both known for their anti-inflammatory and circulation-enhancing effects. Whole food smoothies made at home are another powerful option for senior heart care. Blending spinach berries, chia seeds, and a bit of almond milk creates a heart-friendly breakfast drink packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. These nutrients work together to reduce cholesterol, support stable blood pressure, and prevent clogged arteries over time. However, not all healthy drinks marketed to seniors are created equal. Many commercial beverages labeled as heart smart or low sugar still contain preservatives, artificial ingredients, or hidden sodium that can sabotage your efforts. That's why preparing your own drinks at home is almost always the safest and most effective route for long-term cardiovascular health. In choosing the right morning drink, think beyond taste and convenience. Ask yourself, is this helping or hurting my heart? A drink that feels energizing in the moment might be draining your heart's strength in the long run. But a carefully chosen, nourishing beverage can support your heart, brain, and entire body well into your golden years. Every sip you take is a choice, and after 60, those choices add up quickly. Start each day by choosing hydration, nutrients, and natural balance, not chemicals, sugar, or short-term stimulation. Your heart deserves nothing less. Morning routines that strengthen your heart and what to avoid. Every day, your heart wakes up with you. For seniors over 60, the way you start your morning can either reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease or silently increase it over time. While many people focus on medications or annual checkups, the most powerful heart health changes actually come from small, consistent choices, especially those made in the first 2 hours of the day. Let's talk about the most effective morning habits that support senior heart care, and the silent killers you might still be letting in through your routine. Start with water, always. As mentioned in previous sections, drinking plain water first thing in the morning helps rehydrate your body after hours of sleep. This thins your blood, improves circulation, and reduces strain on the heart. Seniors are particularly vulnerable to dehydration because thirst cues diminish with age. This simple act of drinking water immediately improves oxygen delivery and lowers blood pressure. 2 essential factors in heart attack prevention and stroke prevention. Make it a ritual. Set a glass of water by your bed the night before. Drink it before reaching for your phone, coffee, or pills. Stretch before you sit. It's tempting to go from bed to chair, especially on chilly mornings. But gentle movement, like light stretching, slow, walking around the house, or even a brief yoga pose can stimulate your circulation, improve oxygen flow to your brain, and lower the chance of blood pooling in your legs. Poor circulation is linked to clogged arteries, memory fog, and even dizziness. Stretching sends a message to your cardiovascular system that it's time to wake up and work smoothly. Tip: raise your arms overhead, roll your shoulders, stretch your calves, and take 5 deep breaths. These micro movements enhance metabolism and blood flow without requiring intense physical activity. Avoid sugary, salty, or processed breakfasts. One of the most common mistakes seniors make is choosing breakfast items high in sugar, salt, or processed fat, thinking it gives them energy. Foods like boxed cereals, instant pastries, bacon-heavy meals, or commercial breakfast sandwiches may offer convenience, but come at a serious cost to your heart. These foods increase LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, raise blood pressure, and promote systemic inflammation, one of the root causes of atherosclerosis, or hardening of the arteries. Instead, focus on heart-friendly foods such as oatmeal, topped with walnuts and berries, whole grain toast with avocado, plain Greek yogurt with chia seeds and cinnamon, smoothies made with leafy greens, banana, and almond milk. These meals support a heart-friendly diet, provide healthy fats, reduce cholesterol naturally, and stabilize insulin and blood sugar levels throughout the day. Mind your mood and mental stress. Your mindset in the morning affects your heart more than you think. High cortisol levels, stress hormones early in the day, have been linked to high blood pressure, heartbeat irregularities, and inflammation. For seniors, stress doesn't always come from obvious sources. It might be chronic worry about health isolation or a packed schedule of doctor visits. That's why tending to mental health is a form of cardiovascular care. Morning practices like 10 minutes of deep breathing, listening to calming music, sitting near natural light, writing down 3 things you're grateful for, have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and even regulate heartbeat over time. Move within the first hour. No, you don't need to hit the gym at 7 a.m., but incorporating gentle movement, walking, gardening, even vacuuming can make a profound difference. Physical activity strengthens the heart muscle, increases circulation, improves metabolism, and helps regulate weight. Seniors who stay sedentary in the morning tend to experience more stiffness, slower metabolism, and higher risk of insulin resistance and high cholesterol. Start slow. A 10-minute walk in the yard or hallway can be enough to activate your cardiovascular system and promote healthy arteries. Choose the right supplements if needed. Some seniors benefit from specific heart supplements, especially those with a history of cardiovascular issues. Talk to your doctor before adding anything new, but commonly recommended heart-friendly options include CoQ10 supports energy production in heart cells. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce triglycerides and inflammation. Magnesium helps regulate heartbeat. Vitamin D supports vascular health and blood pressure. Remember, supplements are not a replacement for healthy habits, but they can be an added layer of protection if used wisely. Protect your heart. Protect your future. Every choice you make in the morning, what you drink, what you eat, how you move, and how you think sets the tone for the next 12 hours of heart function. Small improvements made consistently have the power to reverse damage, improve circulation, reduce cholesterol naturally, and protect your cardiovascular health for years to come. It's never too late to change. Protecting your heart begins with one morning change. Your heart has carried you through a lifetime through joy, loss, growth, and change. Now, as you enter your golden years, it deserves your care more than ever. The good news: protecting your heart doesn't require radical change or expensive treatments. Sometimes, it starts with the quietest moment of your day, your first sip in the morning. We've seen how one seemingly harmless morning drink can silently sabotage your cardiovascular health. Whether it's sweetened iced coffee, sugary juices, or processed energy drinks, these habits repeated daily can lead to clogged arteries, heartbeat irregularities, high blood pressure, and eventually stroke or heart attack. And the scariest part, you may not feel a thing until it's too late, but you're not powerless. In fact, the power is right in your hands. By making one small change, starting your day with a glass of water instead of a sugary beverage, you begin to improve circulation, reduce cholesterol naturally, and lower your stroke risk. You support healthy arteries, aid oxygen flow to the brain, and relieve your aging heart from unnecessary stress. From there, other small choices follow. Choosing a heart-friendly breakfast full of fiber and nutrients, moving your body gently to boost blood flow and metabolism, managing morning stress with calm rituals like deep breathing or gratitude, speaking with your doctor about helpful heart supplements for seniors. It's not about perfection. It's about awareness. It's about listening to your body, respecting your age, and choosing to treat each morning like a fresh start for your heart. Too many seniors wait until something goes wrong to take action. But you have a chance to do something different. To act now. To protect your future by protecting your heart today. No matter where you are on your health journey, no matter your past habits, this one step forward matters. So tomorrow morning, before anything else, drink water. Choose awareness. Choose protection. Choose life. And if this message spoke to you, if you want more guidance on senior heart care, stroke prevention, natural remedies for heart health, tips to keep your arteries strong and blood pressure low, subscribe to our channel. We're here every week with information that could change and even save your life. Click subscribe, stay informed, and keep your heart beating strong, one morning at a time.